everyone. This is Nitish. We are solving LeetCode today's problem, and the problem statement has. So, if you see the problem number is 3304. A problem name is find the kth character in a string game 1. So here Alice and Bob are playing a game. Initially, Alice has a string word A. You are given a positive integer. We have also a positive integer k in the problem. Now Bob will ask Alice to perform the following operation forever. So what Alice will do? Alice do generate a new string by changing each word of the next character in the English alphabet and append it to the original word. We have originally word is A. So for example, performing operation on C. Suppose the word is C. So if we perform the operation, so C become, we have to add next character in the original word. So C next character of the C is T, and what we are saying in the problem, we have to add this D to the original word. So we have is initially C. So what will I do? C plus D. So if we see the if we see another example, here is ZB. So word is ZB. This is my initial word. So we have to do one operation. So what I will do, we find the next character of a Z. So next character of a Z is A, and the next character of a B is C. So what I will do, I will modify the word by changing these two letters. So original word is ZB. So I will add A and C to the my original word. So now the current word is ZBAC. So here you can see this, here they have mentioned here. So after doing this, we have to return the kth character of the word. So we from starting 1 2 3 4, we have to return kth character of a word. So here if we see the example, here you can see the example. In this example, the k value is 5 and my original word is A. So for each test case, the original word is going to be A. So from initial we have A. Initially we have word A. So I will do one operation first operation. So I will, what is the next character of A is B. So the new word is going to be A, that is my original word, and by adding a B. Similarly I will do second operation. In second operation, the word is original word is AB. So what is the next character of A is B, next character of B is C. So the now modified word is going to be word equal to my original word AB and my next letters, that is B and C. So I will, so the length of the word is 4. So we have to return the kth letter of a string. So we still have to do one more operation to get kth element. So I will do one more operation. Need to do third operation. So we'll proceed with third operation. Here the original word is a, b. So the next character of a is b, next character of b is c, and c here for also, and next character of d is c is d. Okay, so here if we see, so the my modified here, the now the original of the word is going to be, word is after modification, so my original word a, b, c. Now the after adding these letters, so it will be b, this b, and c, 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 and d. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we need to return the kth element. So for our in case, the kth element is this, so I will going to return b, that is my answer. So if we go to the code, let me explain in this part here. If you see here, I have created a new array list as a for word. So initially we have a in the my array. We are here, we are passing in a while loop. In here in the while loop, you can see the if the length of the word is less than k, then that means we have to do some more operation. So what I will do, I'll go in the while loop and we do the one more operation. So as here you can see, for the z, this is the base condition. If the my character is z, so I will append with a, else the simple we append with one by adding one in the character, so we get next character of the that letter. So after doing this while loop, I will just return the kth element. As here we can see, I am written k minus 1. As here k is a 1 index, so I need to return k minus 1, k minus 1th element of a word array. So here is the answer. Thank you.